Carnival Radiance, room 8317. Inside cabin tour. It's a pretty narrow hallway coming in. But this is an inside cabin. It's the first one we've had. And these are the closets. Safe. You're going to use your room key card to slide on there to open and lock the safe. Life jackets down there. Closet. So we're just doing like his and her closet. And this, we're fully in. We've been in here for 3 days now. Fridge down at the bottom. We haven't used it. And another closet here. Drawers down here. Got your mirror, TV. They do have cams on the TV for the Lido deck, pool, and also the forward ship. So if you want to do that, and they play music and stuff like that while you can watch the cams. They got movies and stuff like that also. There's free movies. So countertop here. I always bring a fan, like this one here, USB charged fan, and I put that over there in the corner table there. We always bring the anchor plug. This you can use on any cruise ship. Anchor plug and USB out you can use on any cruise ship you want. There's no restrictions. Should not be any restrictions. Good that they put the phone over here instead of on these little things here, the nightstands, because there's only so much room. So a nightstand here and there. I forgot to bring, well, I brought this, but I forgot to bring our hooks. So they give you 2 hooks, but I forgot to bring our own hooks. So I would have this whole wall filled with hooks normally. This is only a 4-day cruise, so no big deal on that. And stool here for under there, which is good. Okay, it's an inside cabin, and this is on deck 8. So this is like I said, first time at inside cabin, and the biggest benefit of an inside cabin besides the price, and this 4-night cruise was total price including tips and insurance was $700 for 2 people for this Catalina and Ensenada cruise on the Carnival Radiance. That's very cheap. Just the show alone, the show Rock Revolution last night was really good. I loved it, and it was half full. Why don't people go on shows on this ship? I don't know why, but it's a party boat. It really is a party boat, kind of. But anyway, the cabin. The air conditioner works really well, especially when the ship is moving. It seems to work better after we got out of port, so don't worry about that. It'll get better. What I'll show you next is the bathroom and my review of the bathroom. Inside cabin, biggest benefit is it's dark, so you could sleep in. That's the biggest benefit on inside cabin. You could sleep in, and it's very dark. You don't know what time it is if you want that kind of thing. The other benefit is psychological. If you have a balcony, and I know for me, when I have a balcony, I feel like I have to use it because I paid extra for it. So I feel like I'm more tied to the room when I have a balcony. And on inside room, I don't feel so tied to the room. It's just a place to sleep, shower, blah, 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 blah. Okay? So we're actually spending so much time outdoors and in the lounge chairs and with the pool parties and all that kind of stuff. So there is kind of a benefit. I could get used to this. I could definitely get used to this, especially if you're going like on a non-Alaska type cruise, because once you see the ocean for a few days, you're like, okay, I know what the ocean looks like, right? So the inside cabin is perfectly fine, especially if you're looking to save money, and then you could use that money for tours or whatever, gambling or drinks or whatever. So for a cruise like this, I don't have a problem with an inside cabin. Now we're going on an 8-day cruise coming up, and down further into Mexico, a real Mexico cruise, and I will have a balcony for that on the panorama. I will make another video for the panorama room after we're done with that. Okay, I will show you the bathroom now and give you my review. Okay, so here's the bathroom. Here's the front door, and here's the bathroom to the right. Like I said, there's a pretty tight hallway on this inside room coming in. So let me show you the bathroom here. I would tell you the bathroom is big, really big. I was very impressed with the size of the bathroom. And we're going to do a water pressure test. So we've got a lot of good news in this bathroom, and we've got one piece of bad news. So everything's working good, and typical old Carnival here with the blue. A lot of towels, really good. Thinnest toilet paper in the world. I think it's like an atom thick. I don't think you're allowed to bring your own toilet paper just because of the way the system works here. So here is plenty of room in the bathroom. It's really nice and sizey. Here, look at this. This is the best. Look at this water pressure. Look at that. The faucet water pressure is really good. Really good. Again, guys, this is lived in. This is a lived in 3 days. This ain't no glamour tour. Showing you what this like. You put the towels on the bottom when you want them to change the towels. So they'll change them if you put them on the bottom, on the floor. Let's do the pressure test here on this guy here. Watch this. Look at that. It ain't very good. And this is the lowest water pressure of any cruise ship I've been on. It's not terrible. You'll get your shower, but it's not really good. That's the one bad thing, is the water pressure is really low. But at least it's water, and you will get your shower. And the shower is very big. I don't mind this thing because it actually helps make the shower bigger, I guess, the shower curtain. So no problem there. And so I think that's the bathroom here. And good ventilation and everything like that. Again, on the inside cabin. We're on deck 8. Deck 9 is above. That's the pool deck. There was only one night so far where we heard some chairs being rumbled around up there. But in terms of just quietness during the day and insulation, it's pretty good. Except through the front door. If people are talking in the hallway, you're going to hear it. But the walls and stuff, actually, I don't think there's anyone next to us. I think the room is empty next to us. So it's not a completely full cruise for sure. And again, another reason to go off season. We're here in October, and I like to take these kind of cruises off season, meaning not in the summer. Take October, November, especially if you're going further south into Mexico. You'll get the warm weather, and then it won't be so crazy. I mean, I love kids, but just as long as there's not too many, you know what I mean. I do like kids, but so far, it's a pretty crazy cruise. I'll tell you that. But it's a party cruise. Okay, thanks, guys.